Baba looks at each one of us in our complete and perfect stage.
बाबा हम में से हर एक
Baba
को
looks at
देखते हैं
us
हमारे संपन्न और संपूर्ण स्वरूप से।
in our stage
बाबा हमें देखते हैं
of perfection,
संपूर्ण स्थिति
master
में,
of all the treasures,
सर्व गुणों के मालिक,
treasure of all the powers,
सर्व शक्तियों के खजाने,
of all the virtues,
सर्व गुणों के खजाने
and treasure of all the blessings.
और सर्व दुआओं के खजाने।
We can use these treasures
हम ये खजानों का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं
and for that
और इसके लिए
connection with Baba
बाबा के साथ योग,
and that connection requires power of concentration.
और उस योग के लिए चाहिए एकाग्रता की शक्ति।
Power of concentration is man mana bhav.
एकाग्रता की शक्ति ही मन मना भाव है।
For mind not to stumble around,
ताकि मेरा मन इधर उधर धक्के ना खाए।
intellect to be with Baba,
बुद्धि एक बाबा के संग,
love and good wishes for everyone.
स्नेह और शुभ भावना हर एक के प्रति।
Making mind still and peaceful.
मन को एकाग्र और शांत।
I simply with love
मैं सरल रीति से स्नेह के साथ
remember my father, teacher and Satguru.
अपने पिता, शिक्षक और सतगुरु को याद करती।
Om Shanti.
Om
ये अव्यक्ति परिवार में आपका स्वागत है। आज है
Om
दिन
Shanti.
13।
Welcome to Avyakti
अपनी
Parivar. Today is
शक्तिशाली
day
मनसा द्वारा
13th.
सकाश देने की सेवा करो। आज का विषय है शुद्ध
Do the service of giving Sakash through your powerful mind. Today's topic is
अव्यक्ति इशारे। कोई
accumulate a stock
यह
of
नहीं
pure
कह
thoughts
सकता
in your
कि हमको
mind.
तो सेवा का
Avyak
चांस
signal.
नहीं है।
No
या
one
कोई
can
नहीं
say
कह
that they
सकता
do not get a
कि
chance to
मनसा
do
व
service.
बल से
If someone is
सुख
unable
की
to speak,
गति
he can
सुखमय
serve
स्थिति से
with his mind
सेवा
and
करो।
create an attitude of happiness in
तबीयत
the
ठीक नहीं
atmosphere
है
and a
तो ठीक
stage
बैठे भी
that gives happiness.
सहयोगी बनो।
If your health is not good,
सिर्फ मनसा
then
में शुद्ध
cooperate while
संकल्पों का
sitting at home.
स्टॉक जमा करो।
Simply accumulate a stock
सद्भावनाओं
of
से
pure thoughts in your
संपन्न
mind and become full
अभी हम
of good
मोहिनी
wishes.
दीदी से सुनेंगे।
And now we'll listen to Mohini Didi.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
बाबा के सभी मास्टर बच्चे,
All are Baba's master children,
संपन्न स्वरूप मास्टर बच्चे।
complete form master children.
इसके लिए फिर विधि बाबा क्या बताते हैं?
And for this, what is the method that Baba tells? Accumulate the stock. Accumulate.
क्योंकि समय प्रति समय
Because from time to time,
कोई परिस्थिति आती है तो क्या
when
करना
a
है?
situation
Stock.
comes, so then what is needed at that time? A stock.
कोई भी परिस्थिति में होता है,
So if
पहले
anyone
बाबा
is in
हमसे
any
पूछते हैं,
situation, the
stock
first
है?
thing we ask you, we ask that do you have a stock?
चाहे वो भोजन का है,
Whether it is
चाहे
of stock
कुछ
of
भी
food
stock,
or whatever it is that is needed, there is a
तो बाबा
stock.
भी हमारा ध्यान
And so
खिंचवाते हैं
Baba also draws our attention
भिन्न प्रकार
towards
के स्टॉक,
different types of stocks.
जिसको बाबा खजाना कहते हैं।
And
स्टॉक
Baba
जब
calls
खजाना
it
हुआ,
treasures. All the stock is treasures only.
दुआओं का खजाना,
The
शक्ति
treasures
का
of
खजाना,
blessings, the treasures of powers,
पर जमा करो।
but accumulate them.
जमा कैसे होता है?
How does it get accumulated?
करते यूज करते रहो, करते
Keep
रहो,
on
करते
using
रहो,
them,
use
keep on
करो।
using them, use them.
जैसे आज बाबा ने सवेरे
Just like today in the
मुरली
morning,
ध्यान से सुनी
if
होगी,
you would have listened to the Murli
concentration
carefully,
power use करो,
so Baba, so use the
एकाग्रता
power of
use
concentration.
इसका मतलब परिस्थिति
It
आती है तो
means
उस अनुसार
that,
मत सोचो,
so don't think according to the situation when it comes.
क्योंकि परिस्थिति अनुसार
Because
सोचेंगे तो
when we think
बहुत
according to the
साधारण संकल्प हो
situation,
जाता है।
then our thoughts would be very ordinary.
जो बुद्धि में मन में विचार आते हैं वो
Whatever
करो,
thoughts
जरूरी
that
नहीं
come in the
नहीं
mind or
सोचना,
intellect, do with them. It's not like we
लेकिन
don't
फिर
have to
उसके
think,
साथ शुभ
but
भावनाएं
for
शुभ
that,
हो।
have the feelings should be pure,
जैसे
auspicious.
अच्छा बाबा बता रहे हैं
So Baba is
कि
sharing
शुभ
so
संकल्पों
nicely
का
that
स्टॉक
accumulate
जमा
a
करो।
stock of pure thoughts in your mind.
कोई भी ये नहीं कह सकता है कि हमको
No
तो
one
सेवा का
can
चांस नहीं
say
है।
that they do not get a chance to do service.
दादी जानकी कहती हम
Dadi
इतने अच्छे अच्छे
Janki,
उदाहरण देती हैं।
we give such good examples.
जब वो
So
पूना में थी,
that when
एक
she was in
बहन थी,
Pune,
हर
there was a
बार
sister, and
उसी को
every
भाषण
time
का चांस, वो थोड़ा
she
अच्छा
used to get
बोलती
the
थी।
chance of doing lectures all the time because
दूसरी
she was a
बहन
good
हमेशा कहती
speaker.
थी मेरे
So the other
भाई
sister
को चांस ही नहीं
always
मिलता।
used to say that I never get a chance.
तो एक बार
So
अचानक
one
ही वो जो
time, all
बहन
of a
को भाषण
sudden,
करना था वो नहीं कर सकी।
the one who had to give lecture, she wasn't
उसका
able
क्या
to
कोई
do.
कारण था?
There was
तो दादी
something
ने
wrong
कहा
with
आज
her
तो बहुत
health.
अच्छा
So
मौका है,
Dadi said, it's a very good
दूसरी बहन
chance
को बोला
today.
आज
So
आपको
then she
भाषण
told
करना
the
है।
other sister,
बोली
today
नहीं
you
नहीं मैं
have
तो
to do the
तैयार नहीं हूँ।
lecture. So she said, no, I'm not ready.
मैं कैसे करूँगी, मैंने तो
How
पहले
can I
किया नहीं,
do?
आप
I have
बहुत
never
पहले
done it in
बता
the
देते
past.
मुझे
You should
अच्छा।
have told me in advance.
तो दादी हमको
So
हमेशा कहती
Dadi
थी कि
always used to
मुझे
say
तुम
that
पढ़ाते रहो,
So keep on increasing your capacity. Even if you're not able to do it, do not be in that sorrow. You do your study, you prepare, you write the points. So meaning your capacity and skills, keep on increasing them. So as soon as you would get a chance, when your capacity would be put to use, so then you would keep on getting it. So waste, when we think ordinary or waste, we do not accumulate. Keep on increasing your capacity or capabilities. There are so many examples these days that in waste, we become powerless, we become disheartened, the feelings die. So right now, I do not have any chance. Never think like this. Be prepared, do reflection, and keep yourself in happiness. So what will happen then? When you'll get a chance, so you'll be very successful, right? And you will move ahead. So that is why Baba says, no one can say that they do not get a chance to do service. Baba says, if someone is unable to speak, or they don't get a chance, he can serve with his mind and create an attitude of happiness in the atmosphere and a stage that gives happiness. So attitude of happiness and stage that gives happiness. So do service through that. Do whatever service you get at whatever time. Baba says if your health is not good, then cooperate while sitting at home.
बाबा तो आपको घर बैठे भी बहुत सेवा देंगे नहीं?
Baba will give you a lot of service even while you're home. If you have a stock, Baba says simply accumulate a stock of pure thoughts in your mind and become full of good wishes. I was remembering today, we used to say, whatever will happen, it'll be good. In the future also, it'll be good. Definitely, it'll be happy. So we had to use that trust or faith. Baba keeps an eye on every soul. You see, we even see that the souls that only are in front of us. But Baba, who have I given my life to? To Baba. Someone will become an instrument, whether they'll give knowledge or whether they give you a chance or they give you a program. But who has the horoscope? Baba, as soon as we came, Baba gave the horoscope. My child. So everyone in front of Baba say, talk to Baba. And what is our job? To simply accumulate a stock of pure thoughts in your mind and become full of good wishes. So many times it happens that this should be such, a place should be such, the gathering should be such, stage should be such. So there are good thoughts, but so those are thoughts, those are pure thoughts. But with pure thoughts, Baba, one day Baba will definitely make it happen. It will definitely happen. To meaning increase your faith. When the percentage of faith is good, you don't get waste. But if it is less, so many types of waste thoughts would come. So then those will go into waste, right? So at that moment, if you keep on making them pure, so they'll keep on becoming accumulate. We don't want to waste the thoughts, right? No matter what happens. Then you see in your life how much your feelings will become successful. You'll get a lot of success also, and your nature also would also become of accumulating. So have a good stock of everything. Om Shanti.
Avyakt Murli Revision.
Avyakt Murli Revision from 1969. jewels of knowledge, pearls of love.
अव्यक्त वाणी तारीख है 4 फरवरी 1975। ज्ञान को स्वयं में समाने से ही अनमोल मोती
Avyakt Murli, the date is 4/2/1975. By attaining knowledge itself, the attainment of priceless pearl and power. All confluence-aged, elevated souls are like Chatrak. Chatrak is a bird that's thirsty for nectar. Just as it is said of oysters that they turn drops of water into pearls by accumulating them in themselves. In the same way, what do all the elevated versions or words of knowledge that you hear and imbibe become? You also turn them into pearls, and each word here becomes one that makes you a multi-millionaire. Each word becomes invaluable when you imbibe it, just as a Chatrak bird swallows every drop. In the same way, you also listen to this knowledge and merge it into yourself. What practical form is visible from merging it into yourself?
जैसे चातक बूंद को धारण कर लेते हैं, वैसे ही आप भी इस ज्ञान को सुनकर समा लेते हो। समाने का प्रत्यक्ष स्वरूप क्या दिखाई देता है?
It is just as when someone's every thought, every word, and every deed becomes the basis for accumulating multi-millions. That is, with the words spoken at every second, that soul is visible as a multi-millionaire. The happiness and intoxication of physical wealth is visibly sparkling on his face, but it is still only temporary. However, the sparkle of happiness is constantly and clearly visible on the faces of those who are thirsty for knowledge. Do you see your sparkle in the mirror with your third eye at every moment? Do you check your account of accumulation every second? Do you have the practice of keeping a clear account of how much debit and how much credit you have in your account? Do you make special time to check your account? If there is an income earned at one moment and a loss for the next,
विशेष समय निकाल
this
कर
going up and down,
अभी अभी कमाई, अभी अभी गवाई। यह उतार चढ़ाव अगर ज्यादा होगा तो सोचने, देखने और करने का विशेष समय निकलना होगा। विशेष समय
rest to be continued tomorrow.
अच्छा,
Om Shanti.
आगे की मूली कल सुनेंगे। ओम शांति।